ज़्यादा खबरों के लिए सब्सक्राइब कर बेल आइकन दबाएं।
Extended range, which was, I guess, the second test of the extended range missile. So, what is the range now, and how is it going to help? And does it remain supersonic even in extended range?
BrahMos, as you know, is the supersonic cruise missile, and the test is done primarily to enhance the indigenous content in this missile, and hence the many indigenous systems which have been incorporated in the BrahMos missile system have been flight tested along with the extended range, and so it was a successful mission. So most of the indigenous systems which have been incorporated now have functioned to full satisfaction, and the indigenous content has gone up in BrahMos now.
Fired about a couple of days ago. What were the snags in it?
Basically, the missile, as you know, Nirbhay has been flight tested earlier, and it has been successfully completed all its development trials it has gone through. And we only wanted to increase the indigenous content in that, and by incorporating many things, including the engine and various other things. And so the missile actually gone off very well. It took off very well, the separations and many other things, and engine also started functioning very well. After that, some snag has come, which our people are looking into it, and that must be a very one element malfunctioning or something like that. I am not very sure right today. The team is looking into it, and we should be able to come out of it, and then we'll be going ahead with the program in a very accelerated way.
We also saw this on 9th test fired the Rudram 1 anti-radiation missile. So what is the missile about, and what capability does it give to the Indian Air Force?
It's basically an anti-radiation missile launched from an aircraft, and when you release it, it will be able to detect any emitting elements and wherever are there, and then you will be able to lock onto that emitting elements, and then it will be able to go and attack them. So that is what has been attempted in the trial what we have done. It has been released from aircraft, and it could detect the emitting elements, and then that's what is tested at ITR Balasore, and so it could go to the target very accurately. So that proves the total capability of the air-launched anti-radiation missile, and so we need to do a couple of more trials to prove the complete system technologies under various conditions. And once that is done, it goes into the Air Force, and it will strengthen the Air Force in attacking the enemy's emitting elements.
You mean to say the radars?
Yeah.